this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can share your screen to Claude AI. So first I want to mention that there is no built-in feature where you can share your real-time screen, but there are a few options how you can share it. So firstly, if you are using browser, you can click on this plus icon and you can add your files or photos, or you can take screenshot. So if I allow this, so I can select if I want to take screenshot of my browser or specific window or entire screen. So if I click on entire screen, it's going to create automatically screenshot, and I can ask anything from Claude about the screenshot. So you can see the screenshot shows the Chrome browser screen sharing dialog open on Claude AI. So this is the first way how you can share it, and the second way is basically the same, but if you have Claude installed on your desktop, you can open it like this, and you want to go to settings over here, then general under desktop app, and from here if you create a quick access shortcut, so you can click on this, you can add shortcut for this, and now if I close this, and now I'm gonna press the shortcut option plus space. Now from here you have this option quickly share content with Claude. So you can click on turn on file sharing, then continue, open system settings, and again we want to allow this. And now after you allowed it, I'm gonna again press shortcut. And now you can simply drag anything on your screen like this, and it's going to help you with the specific problems. So let's say I'm gonna open a Notion as an example, and I'm gonna press the shortcut. I'm gonna quickly drag my mouse so the Claude can see my screen. So I asked him about my monthly budget in Notion, and you can see it found everything from my screen. So if I compare it, you can see salary 3.5k. All right, so income is total is 4.1 and expenses are 2.2. All right, so everything is correct. So this is how you can share your screen on Claude AI. Currently, there is still no live sharing, but this is still a good option how you can share your screen to Claude. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.